These air hydraulic quick lift service jacks from Strongway have powerful air motors that lift your heaviest loads, making them ideal for lifting farm vehicles, heavy-duty machinery, industrial equipment, and more. Both the 35-ton and 22-ton jacks have an efficient trigger push button that reduces lifting time in a compact design that easily fits between tandem axles. A mechanical spring return automatically resets the ram back to the minimum starting height. And the 3-position pumping handle makes it easy to reach under vehicles with low overhangs. Large 8-inch rear wheels and an extra long T-handle allow for easy positioning and portability. Get powerful lifting for your heaviest equipment with these air hydraulic quick lift service jacks from Strongway.
The MadRamps Pivoting Ramp System. Made in the USA and engineered for strength and durability. Maneuver through tight places and over rugged terrain with plenty of ground clearance. No licensing, no ongoing maintenance costs, and no storage hassles like trailers. Won't slip or move like conventional ramps. Free up more cargo space in the bed of your truck. Securely connects to your truck's receiver hitch. Easily extends for safe loading and unloading. Seamlessly retracts for highway and off-road travel. DOT approved in all 50 states and Canada. Quickly disconnects in under a minute. A unique space-saving storage system. The MadRamps Pivoting Ramp System.
This is auto-firming. Compared to the other car extinguishers, it goes off the beaten track. Let's see what exactly it can do. Now I'm installing an auto-fireman in the engine compartment. These 2 magnets will be attached to the engine compartment. The installation is within 30 seconds. Not only the installation is fast, but it also can put out fire quickly. When the temperature in the engine compartment is up to 600 Celsius, the built-in sensor will detect the high temperature or open fire. It will activate the auto extinguisher and start to release the extinguishing. The car fire can be put out within 30 seconds.
Today I'm here to show you something called trap mats, a new type of car mat you've never seen before. As you can see, the trap mats look really clean on the surface, but when you remove the upper layer, there's a lot of dust inside. However, it's very easy to clean. With a patented honeycomb design, dust or pollutants simply pass straight through to the lower layer, while indentations on the lower layer trap the dust. This ensures that trap mats will always look clean. But what about trap mats? Trap mats are made with a special type of plastic called EVA that doesn't absorb moisture, thereby trapping water in the lower layer. The upper and lower layers are linked with a hook and loop fastener so liquids stay in the lower layer, keeping your shoes and pants clean. When you get in your car, the dirt or dust from your shoes fall on the mat. They get trapped in the lower layer of trap mats. What about washing car mats with water? The dust and dirt in regular car mats are very difficult to wash off, and they take a very long time to dry. When they are completely dried, germs and bacteria can easily grow on them. I bet you didn't know that a regular car mat which doesn't dry completely can grow more germs than a public restroom. With trap mats, dust and dirt can easily be rinsed off with just water. And the water-resistant trap mats will dry up very quickly and completely too. Trap mats can be installed easily and securely with Velcro and retention clips. A bactericide coating added to the mats helps prevent bacteria or germ growth in your car.
put it to the test.
Baseballs as hard as I could.
Pitching machine, 70 miles an hour.
Wow!
My favorite of all time.
Softball size. In cantaloupes.
Her first pitch. And another. Wow!
20 golf balls shot at 80 miles an hour.
To install the track grabber on your truck tire, place it on top of the tire. Feed the strap through the hole in the middle of the tire. Loop the strap through both buckle hoops, then back through the second one, pulling tight. Then Velcro the loose end of the strap. Repeat for additional wheels. Track grabber offers a safe, easy, and quick do-it-yourself solution.
Once the vehicle is free, track grabber is easily removed, stored, and ready for the next use. Track grabber is definitely coming with me this hunting season, and I'm going to put one in the fabric.